Hello everyone, fireworks night, July 1st, look at that everyone. Finally I got it, look, see? It's in the park. Here we go, the fireworks display. July 1st, 2020. Look at that everyone. Look. Okay, it's quiet right now. Wow. It's not over yet.
Every year. Starting up again.
Look, here we go. Look. Let's go up there. Up here, look. Here, look. You see that how they have to get them ready? They can only do so many at once if it's just one or two people controlling it. Wow. Look at that, it's amazing. Oh, wow. Boy. Yeah. Wow. You know, I'm filming this. We gotta wait a bit, you know, there's several seconds before they put more up. Walking up here, we gotta wait. Oh. I'm just waiting for some more fireworks. We'll go through this park. Not too close. Still waiting. Here, look, I see that was there. Oh, and then it went. It was just like, it disappeared. Yeah, look at this one. Look. Oh, but they're dying down. Oh, look. Whoa. Wow, he's again. Look. This is crazy. Wow! Wow. Wow. Hey! Okay, that's enough. I'm going to show you for now. Wow, July 1st. Bye.